Hello friends, I am Yuthika and welcome once again to my channel yutiarts. Today we are going to paint a rainy day special painting. Today's painting is inspired from another artist. I am recreating an oil pastel art of Ohu Sia. Let's see how the painting turns out. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and you can give your feedback in the comment section below. And if you are recreating any of my paintings, then do tag me at @yutiarts. I will be super excited to see your paintings. At first I am brushing the canvas with water to keep the canvas moist, as acrylic colors dries up very fast. So it is very important to keep your canvas moist when you are working on a bigger canvas. Next I am applying shades of blue and green, as I am showing an area of greenery. Using a mop brush, now I am blending the colors. Blending the colors is very important in this kind of painting. I am giving a bokeh effect in the background. Investing a good amount of time in blending will surely make you happy with the result, and I will suggest keep on blending until and unless you are satisfied with the result. If you are not using a retarder, you can always keep a water spray bottle and keep on spraying as and when required. After finally completing the background, which is looking pretty good now, I am painting the umbrella. Adding small details on the umbrella will give it a realistic look. Now I am painting the bokeh effect. I am painting bokeh in different sizes with different shades. This will give a nice foggy effect. For painting bokeh, sponge dabber or sponge brushes of different sizes are available in the market. But if you don't have, no problem. A flat brush can do the same. Droplets of rain, sprinkles of water, and the foggy effect. And we are done with the painting. Hope you enjoyed the painting. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe yutiarts. Also, you can mention your views in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.